Hi everyone, I'm Chloe Hanford, and today we'll be looking at the platform MailChimp to see how we can optimize its features to create our own website to support our service initiatives. For those of you who don't already know, this video is part of a tutorial series which accompanies my Digital Marketing for Good workshop. I created this workshop to teach high schoolers how to optimize digital platforms to expand the outreach of their service-oriented clubs and initiatives as part of my Girl Scout Gold Award. I've created an awesome website where you can find the lesson plan and more resources just like this video, or so that you can even teach the workshop yourself. So if you're interested, links in the description, go check it out. I think it's pretty cool. As a disclaimer, according to Girl Scout Gold Award rules, I cannot provide any advice on raising funds for an organization, so nothing in this video should be seen as such advice. With that, let's get into the video. So I'm here in MailChimp, and if you've been to my channel before, then you'll know that I already have a video out on how to use MailChimp to create email campaigns, email templates, and send emails. But there are a few other things that MailChimp can do. One of those things that is a paid feature that I don't have is automations. So you can create journeys where, for example, when customers subscribe to your account, they'll automatically get an email that says like, "Hi, thank you for joining us," for example. That's a paid feature, and it's a little bit more advanced. You can also create social posts. So for example, I could name my post Post 2, sync my Instagram. Mine's already synced, but you could do the work yourself in just a few minutes. Type in a random caption, choose an image, and post it. So as you can see, MailChimp is a multi-use platform. I've already highlighted the email portion and just now the automations and social media portion. But today I really want to take a look at the website portion and see how we can use it to our benefit. So I'm going to go here to create and create a website. Get started. All right, so I'm going to start by setting up my sign, just a regular site, and I'm going to choose a URL, and it's populated the site for me. So what I really like about this MailChimp editor is that even though my URL is going to say like @mailchimp.com, etc., I find this website builder to be particularly intuitive. It's very simple. It's not going to make you a massive website, but it's very simple to use, and at least for me, it really works the way that my brain expects a website builder to work. So for example, I can take a look at styles. I can choose different color palettes and styles. So maybe I like this one with the purple. I can choose a different color palette. Maybe I like vibrant, and I want it to look like this. Okay, so I think I like that. Very easy to edit. I can also choose different themes. Maybe I like this one. And it's already showing me what it looks like directly in my site. I can also add a cookie banner, which I'm going to do, and include an accept cookies button if I like. So now I have my managed pages. So you can see here that this is my home page. It's just created up a template for me. Now I can add other pages for people to click on within my site. So maybe I want to, and then it has several templates for what the pages can look like. So I'm going to choose an about page and add that up. Okay, so now I have two pages. I'm naming this about. I can choose what the URL path says and that sort of thing, what it looks like when you share it in a social media post. Saving that. And I can add even more pages, and they're all going to appear like this on a screen where I can see all of them at once. So I'm managing my pages here. So next it's time to edit a page, so let's start with the home page. So as you can see, if you knew from a previous video, I had added this random thumbnail as my company logo, but you can see that because I used MailChimp before, it actually already auto-populated where the company logo would be. If I was a serious organization, I would put my own logo there. And you can see that my other pages have populated up here, and there's some buttons that are already in place. So what's super intuitive is you click on the text, you edit it, right? So digital marketing made easy. Then look, I click on this button, I can edit the text to say start the workshop now, and I can add my link to google.com. And I can choose whether it opens a new window. I can also just click on the background and edit the background to be a different photo, which I like better, and edit, etc. If I'm not interested in having a section, like I think there's too many, I can just remove that and really edit this as much as I'd like. I can also add my socials in here. Then when I'm ready to work on a different page, I just go up here and I click About, and I can start working on this page. So take your service online. Woohoo. And then do the same thing. Whenever I want to, I can click Preview, and I can see the desktop and mobile views, which is helpful. I can go back to editing, and then maybe I'm done and I'm ready to publish this website. So now I can go here. I could finish it later if I wasn't done, but if I am done, then I'm just going to click Publish. And boom, it's already up here. So if I go to Digital Marketing for Good at MailChimp'S.com, I can see that it's up here, and when I click on the links, it takes me where I coded them to go, which was Google, and I can see my full website, click on the different pages. So this is super useful, and by the way, your buttons can go to other pages of your website too. I just didn't show that. So that's pretty awesome. It will also track your insights. So I can go here to see my subscribers and my page views, and then I can also update my site tracking in my settings. So here's my site title and my icon. I can edit it. Well, I would have to upgrade. And the same goes if you want a different domain, these are upgradable features, but you could upgrade them. So for example, if I want to use MailChimp in cookies to track visitors to my website, or if I want to incorporate Google Analytics, I can do that by adding my Google Analytics ID in here. And I can always edit the status of my website. I can unpublish it or permanently delete it, depending on what I want. So, as you can see, there are a lot of great opportunities with this really simple but intuitive website builder within MailChimp, as well as their automation and social media post features, which I've shared. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it helped you out. Thank you for watching.